Hey guys, how's it going? Today I want to do just kind of a quick review for you guys on the Nod by Tuft and Needle mattress. I haven't seen too many reviews on it, so I thought I'd kind of give you guys my 2 cents based on my experience and let you know what I kind of thought about it. So if you're not familiar with Tuft and Needle, they're kind of, they've been around for a little while now, but they were kind of the first big name in these boutique, I guess you could call them, memory foam mattresses. A friend of mine had an original Tuft and Needle mattress and absolutely loved it and really recommended it. And at the time, they were pretty expensive, anywhere from about $500 to $800 for the standard mattress, which they still make. But the Nod is kind of their new, latest, greatest budget model, I guess you could say. The main difference between the two is the Nod is just a little bit thinner. It's only an 8-inch mattress as opposed to the original Tuft and Needle is a 10-inch. However, they really only removed the base foam kind of at the bottom. The actual memory foam compound that they use, which is what I enjoy the most, is the same in this one and the other one. So they did cut the size down, but they really, in my opinion, it didn't change much. So if you've ever used a Tuft and Needle before, it feels very, very similar. Hands down, one of the most comfortable mattresses I've ever laid on in my life. I absolutely love it, and I get great sleep on it. In my opinion, I hate to say, but like Tuft and Needle may have shot themselves in the foot a little bit with this mattress, just because you can really kind of get the same mattress. It really does feel almost the same for like half the price as the original Tuft and Needle mattress, but that's great for consumers like you and I because you can get a great mattress now for a lot less money. Now, mattresses are, of course, a very subjective thing. One nice thing is they do have a 100-night free trial. Even if you order it through Amazon, it doesn't affect it or anything like that. So you can try it at home for 100 nights. If you don't like it, they will have you basically they'll come pick it up, donate it, and you get all your money back. So you really can't lose. It's definitely worth a try. It comes in a shrink wrap box, basically. It's kind of weird. Your mattress shows up in this kind of weird shaped rectangular box. Doesn't look like there's a mattress inside. But you roll it out and unvacuum it, basically just cut it open, and it just sucks in all this air, and in about it says it can take up to 72 hours, but I would say more like 24 hours, probably ready to sleep the next day, or if you get it real early in the morning that same night. But anyway, absolutely love it, highly recommend it. Like I said, they're running a pretty decent deal on it, so if you click the link below, you can check that out if you're interested in picking one up. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.